Hello, this is Mrs. Ross and this is lesson 56. This is just going to be the practice set. I'll do the starred problems in another video. So, see if I can get us to the next part. Okay, so we're doing function tables in lesson 56. For this function table, write the rule in words. So let's take a look. My input is days and my output is hours. So 1 day is 24 hours, 2 days is 48 hours, and then it jumps to 5 days is 120 hours, and 10 days we're going to have to find. So I think what I'm going to do is I multiply number of days by 24 hours. Okay, so if I were to write that in a equation form, which I think is C actually, my output is H equals 24 times D. So put that there. That's going to be H. And then it says find the missing number in the table. So if I need to find H, I'm going to multiply 10 by 24 and get 240. All right, let's go to the next. Okay, on a coordinate plane, plot 4 points that satisfy this function. The number of bicycle wheels, y, is twice the number of bicycles, x. Okay, so x is your input. You can't see that. Let me try a different color here. Let's try that. So x is your input, much better, which is number of bikes. So I can't have a negative number of bikes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 bikes. Okay, and then y is going to be the number of wheels. And I know that y is equal to 2 times x. So 1 times 2 is 2, times 2 is 4, times 2 is 6, times 2 is 8. And then it says to plot this. So, let me erase this so I can. So my points are 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, and 4, 8. So let me go over here. Let's see. So 1, 2 is going to be right there. 2, 4 is there. 3, 6 is there. And then 4, okay, that's 7. 8's probably here, I'm not sure. But we can go like this. Okay, here's another function table. Make a function table and find, hold on, let me get to the ink here. Find 4 pairs x, y for the function. So we have x and then y, which is equal to 3 times x. Hint, think of small numbers for x and y, then plot the numbers on the pair. Then graph all the pairs of numbers, including fractions. Okay, so you just draw a line. I got you. Okay, so what I like to do when I can use negative numbers, positive numbers, I can use whatever I want. So I'll take, let me do 0, 1, negative 1, and 2. Let's see what happens. So when I plug 0 into this, y is equal to, so we know y is equal to 3x. So y is equal to 3 times, I'm going to plug 0 into x, and I get 0. Okay, so here I have y is equal to 3 times, we're going to plug 1 in for x, and we get 3. Y is equal to 3 times, ooh, we haven't done negative numbers, maybe that's a bad idea, but this is negative 3, my bad. I just realized that. And then this should be 6. Okay, so this is negative 3 and 6. So let me change colors. My points are 0, 0, because I'm taking them from here. I have 1, 3. I have negative 1, negative 3. And I have 2, 6. So let's plot these. So 0, 0 is right here. That's our origin. 1, 3 is there. And then negative 1, negative 3 is here. And then 2, 6 is there. And it wants us to draw a line. So, geesh. We have this, and we know a line goes infinitely in both directions, and it's supposed to be straight, y'all. This is, oh my gosh. Okay, you get the picture. Okay, write the rule for this graphed function as an equation. Begin with the y equals. Name another xy pair that's not named in the function. Okay, so let me change this to something we can see. And we're going to, this is x and this is y. And we're going to record the ones we have here. So I have 3, 12. I have 2, 8. I have 1, 4. Down here I have -1, -4. And -2, -8. So let's take a look at this. 3 times 4 is 12. Let's see if that works. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. -1 times 4. So we have to multiply x by 4. So our y equals 4 times x. And then it asks us to pull one more. So let's see, we did 1, 2, 3. Let's do 0. So 0 times 4 is 0, and it does go through 0, 0. Which point on the graph in f, 4, 1 or 1, 4, satisfies the function? How can we tell? So let me change colors. So we need to know which one of these satisfies. So let's see, 4, 1 is not it. And I have 1, 4 here. So I can either look at the graph, or I can say, all right, I know if x is 1, which I have here, then y is 4. So I can either look at the graph or I can look at the function table. Okay, and now we're on to starred problems, so I'll be doing this in another video. If you have any questions about the practice set, please let me know.